Hello, he said I may help you.
Hello?
Howard, he said I may help you.
Hey, how are you today?
Good, how are you doing?
16, you get
I'm sorry?
35, I'm at about 6.
I can't understand you.
I'm at about 625.
You're breaking up really bad.
Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I would like... Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, can I get 1...
75, I'm at about 6.
One word.
675. 85, I'm at about 6. 85, I'm at about 75. 85, I'm at about 670.
Yeah. I can't understand.
I'm at about 7.
Hello? Your phone is breaking up, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm on the landline. It's not my phone that's breaking up, it's yours. I can't understand you. You said you wanted one what?
And Wild Richards, Mike.